Alright everybody, strap in. Today, we're diving into a country often misrepresented and misunderstood, but never boring. We're talking about Pakistan, the land of majestic mountains, vibrant cultures, and hospitable people. That's the Pakistan I want to show you. Get ready to have your assumptions challenged and perspectives broadened. We're about to unpack 10 amazing facts about Pakistan. So, get your virtual passports ready. Let's rewind the clock. Way back, 5,000 years back, boom! We're in the Indus Valley Civilization, a cradle of human civilization. This wasn't just a random settlement, we're talking urban planning, advanced drainage systems, the ruins at Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, straight out of history books. This land has seen the rise and fall of empires, each leaving its mark on Pakistan's heritage. Picture this. Towering snow-capped peaks, lush green valleys, deserts, and a coastline that kisses the Arabian Sea. This isn't a fantasy novel, this is Pakistan. We're talking about K2, the second highest peak in the world. From Swat, Hunza, and Kashmir to Karachi and Gwadar, Pakistan's landscape is a dream. Pakistan isn't just one story, it's a fusion of cultures, a kaleidoscope of traditions. From the Pashtuns to the Punjabis, the Sindhis to the Balak, each group brings its own flavor. You can hear languages as diverse as Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, and more. This blend, this beautiful chaos, is the essence of Pakistan. You know that feeling when you're welcomed into someone's home like family, even if you've just met? That's Pakistan for you. Hospitality isn't just a virtue here, it's woven into their being. Strangers become friends over chai, and a simple thank you is met with, "It was no trouble at all." Alright foodies, this one's for you. Pakistani cuisine is a flavor bomb. From spicy biryani to succulent mutton karahi, buttery naan to sweet gulab jamun, get ready for a culinary adventure. Pakistani food will leave you wanting more. This land has seen it all. From the Mughal Empire to the British Raj, Pakistan's history is a captivating saga. The Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, Mohenjo-Daro, Taxila, these aren't just sites, they're portals to the past. History buffs, prepare to be amazed. Now let's talk sports. Cricket is practically a religion in Pakistan. World Cup trophies, Imran Khan, Wasim Akram, the passion is real. But it's not just cricket. Pakistan's field hockey team, legendary. Squash, dominated for decades. These athletes carry the hopes and dreams of a nation. Remember that intricate carpet in your living room? Or that beautiful embroidered shawl you couldn't resist buying? Chances are it came from the skilled hands of a Pakistani artisan. From the carpets of Peshawar to the embroidery of Sindh, the pottery of Multan to the woodwork of Chiniot, Pakistani artisans keep ancient traditions alive. For millions, Pakistan holds deep spiritual significance. The Badshahi Mosque, Faisal Mosque, and Data Darbar aren't just architectural marvels, they're sanctuaries of peace. Prepare to be amazed by the diversity of Pakistan's natural wonders. From the Karakoram Range to Lake Saif ul-Muluk, this country is a nature lover's paradise. The Deosai Plains, called the Land of Giants, and the Kailash Valleys, known for their unique culture and stunning scenery, will leave you breathless. So, there you have it. 10 amazing facts about Pakistan that might just change the way you see this incredible country. From ancient civilizations to breathtaking landscapes, from diverse cultures to warm hospitality, Pakistan has something to offer everyone. But no video can truly capture the essence of a place. The real magic happens when you experience it yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Discover Pakistan, explore its hidden gems, and create your own unforgettable story.